Hello, my name is swissbianco. This time I would like to show you the 84mm silver alox lumberjack. We had this knife in the past, but now we have back in stock a new batch of this special Swiss Army knife. It's a limited edition made by Victorinox for swissbianco only. The 84mm sights make it more compact than the 93mm. As you can see with this 93mm black alox farmer, it's also way thinner and still featured essentially same tools as the farmer Swiss Army knife. We have the main blade, the combination tool, which you can use as a screwdriver, as a bottle can opener, and a wire stripper. It locks in two positions. And we have the pocket folding saw. I like this saw a lot, it's really useful. And this all in a absolute compact thin packages. The split ring is on it too, and the engraving plate. What we want to do in the future with this knife is make a altoids kit. That's a traditional US thing, because the sides of this kit, of this tin, the kit will be really compact, and the 84mm Victorinox knife fit perfectly in it. So we work on making a kit out of this with a couple other goodies that will help you survival in case needed. That is what we gonna do pretty soon. This is the 84mm Victorinox alox lumberjack, specially made in a limited edition for swissbianco.